When the police twist facts in court, you don't stay silent, you strike smart. Section 311 of the CrPC gives you power. It allows the trial court to recall any witness or summon a new one if it's essential to justice. Say the investigating officer says the mobile was seized at 2 p.m., but you have call records showing it was used at 10 a.m. You can file an application under Section 311 to recall him, confront him, and expose the lie in open court. Next, Section 340 CrPC. This one's for perjury. If someone lies under oath or files fake evidence in court, you can ask the judge to start proceedings. But timing is key. Use it after the lie is clearly proven, like when the investigating officer says no calls happened post-arrest, but the police's own call data proves otherwise. Section 340 can lead to punishment under IPC 193, perjury. That's serious heat on the witness and leverage for your defense. In short, use 311 to fix the record, use 340 to punish lies. When used right, these two tools can flip the courtroom and the case in your favor.